This is Camellia Yuletide, and it is absolutely stunning. It's a single flowered camellia, but it is absolutely perfect with that deep red colour, those bright yellow stamens. It's evergreen, so it looks good all the year through, and it starts flowering now in mid to late autumn. It will go through Christmas time, hence Yuletide. It will go through to January or February. Eventually, it can get to about 1.5 meters, 2 meters tall. It's a great plant for shade, but it will grow in sun as well. It does, however, like an acid soil. So if in your garden, you've already got camellias, azaleas, rhododendrons growing, thriving with lovely deep glossy leaves, you can plant this directly in the ground. If you still want one of these, but you haven't got that acid soil, you can grow it in a container using ericaceous compost. Very happy in a container, and it just lifts the garden at that time of year when very little else is flowering. Frost, no problem at all for this. -10, -15, no issue at all. And if you ever want to prune it back immediately after it's flowered, and the new foliage that's created will give you the flower the following year. And camellia is what we make tea from. That's a member of the tea family. So a plant that will just give you interest all the year through, with flower, with foliage. And if you'd love one of these, then these are available here at YouGarden.